Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to be solving this chemistry problem. How many structural isomers does C4H10 have? Structural isomers will have the same molecular formula but different structural formula. So we're going to start by writing out the structure of C4H10. We have 4 carbons. We're going to start by drawing out the 4 carbons. So carbon chain connected to each other. Start with this. The next thing, we have 10 hydrogens. So I'm going to fill in the 10 hydrogens, making sure that each carbon does not have more than 4 bonds around it. So this carbon is going to have 3 hydrogens. That makes it 4. Do not exceed 4 bonds because carbon have 4 valence electrons and needs 4 bonding to fill its octet. Then we move on to this carbon. We're going to put 2 hydrogens here to make it 4. 2 on this one as well. And then here we have 3. Then confirm that you have 10 hydrogens. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is the first structural formula. How many isomers can we have from this structure? What I'm going to do first is reduce the chain. So I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, the first 3 carbons. So we will have 1, 2, and then 3. This 4th carbon, take it and put it on carbon 2. Now again, for the 10 hydrogens, place them on the carbons, making sure that each carbon does not have more than 4 bonds and that you have a total of 10 at the end. So starting with this carbon, we're going to have 3 hydrogens again because that's what makes it up 4. This already has 3, so you only need 1 hydrogen there. Then this one would need 3 to make it up 4 bonds, and this would need also 3 to make it up 4. Now confirm that you have 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 4 carbons, 10 hydrogens. We are not going to have any more isomers. And the reason is, if I reduce this to 2 and try to put the 3rd carbon on any of the carbons, you're going to end up having the structures that you already have before. So you would only have 2 isomers for C4H10. So the correct answer to this question is A. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe or follow us for more videos like this. Share to your friends as well, and see you in our next video.